Hey everyone, it's Christine with Momspiration 412, founder of EduPlay. Welcome to Start Your Day with EduPlay on Thursday morning. So Thursdays, we always do cooking with Christine and the kids. And today it's going to be a very special day in the kitchen. We are going to be making a snack mix for you and Dad. So you guys get to pick out some of your favorite treats, some of Dad's favorite treats, and you guys get to go together and, either count them by fives, count by tens, or just put a spoonful in a bag and make a little trail mix for you and Dad today. So I'll talk more about that later. We are also going to do our song for Dad, and we're also going to do our calendar and stretches for today. So, all right, are you guys ready to do your stretches and your calendar for the day? All right, let me say good morning to all of my friends. So, good morning to Roman. Good morning, Charlotte and Kinsley. Good morning, Sammy. Good morning, Caleb. Good morning, Nolan. Good morning, Victoria and Anthony. Good morning, Kate and Keegan. Good morning, Andrew and Michaela. And a big good morning to Ella and Alex when they watch this too. So, good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a great day. And I hope I said good morning to Caleb. Good morning, Caleb. And let's get started with calendar today. So, we are going to get started with the months of the year. So, get ready to sing all about the months of the year. Ready? Here we go. Open up our calendar and get ready. Ready? Make sure we can hold it straight for you. Here we go. We are going to sing right here. Ready? I'm going to pop it down just a tad. There you go. You guys can see them. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year. Good job, friends. And what month is it? It is June. Very good. It is June. Ready? Capital June. Very good. It is June. And we are going to do our date. So yesterday was the 17th. What comes after 17, friends? 17 and then 18. That's correct. So we have 18 jumps. Can you do 18 jumps this morning? I bet you can. I know you're big and strong. Show me those muscles. Show me those big muscles. You are so strong. All right. The year is 2020. Very good. Let's sing our days of the week and figure out what day of the week it is. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. Then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. So yesterday was what? What was yesterday? I hope you guys were able to move around and get some Wellness Wednesday in yesterday. Yesterday was Wellness Wednesday. And if you did your mini golf, I can't wait to see it. Today is Thursday. Very good. Cooking with Christine and the kids. I'm excited for this segment so much today. All right, and tomorrow will be Friday. Very good. Tomorrow will be Friday. So the season is, we forgot our date. Ready? Today is Thursday, June 18th, 2020. Excellent. And the season is spring. Very good. It is spring. We're getting very, very close to summer. And I need you to tell me what the weather's like where you're at, okay? So tell me, ready? Weather, what's the weather? I want you to go check it out, okay? Is it hot? Is it warm? Is it mild or cold? Hopefully it's not freezing. But one of those, you let me know what the temperature's like where you're at today, okay? And tell me what the weather is. Is it rainy? Is it partly cloudy? Is it stormy? Is it cloudy? Or is it sunny? You let me know what it's like today, okay? Special activities. Today is our cooking activity, and we're going to make snack mix for you and Dad today. And if we have any birthdays on June 18th, please share them. I'd love to give everyone a shout out. Our holiday coming up on Sunday is Father's Day. So let me know what kind of fun activities you guys have planned to do with Dad on Father's Day. And it is sunny, okay? Or I mean, not sunny. I feel happy. How do you guys feel? I feel nice and happy when it is sunny out, right? So tell me how you guys feel. Do you feel happy today? Do you feel sad? Do you feel a little bit silly? Let me know how you guys feel today, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to get up and we're going to do our stretches, and we are going to do 18 jumps, all right? And then we're going to sing our song for Dad today. We're going to practice. All right, so we need to get some space, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to take those arms, and I want you to make big circles with those arms. Big circles. Big circles. Good. Big circles with those arms. Stretch those arms, those shoulders out. Good. Can you take those circles backwards? Good job, friends. Take them backwards. Excellent. Good. Okay. What I want you to do now is I want you to take those arms up like a V. What we're going to do is we're going to take one hand and we're going to touch the other toe. Can you do that? Touch one toe. It's like a windmill, okay? Ready? Go back straight. Take the left hand and touch the right toe. Back up. Take the right hand and touch the left toe. Good job. We're going to do two more. Ready? And down and down. Very good, boys and girls. Very good. Okay. What we're going to do is we are going to march and march. Can we start skipping, do you think? Can you do like a hop? Ready? Can you hop on one foot? Hop. And can you put that foot down? And can you hop on the other foot? Hop. Down and hop. Down. Hop. Down. Hop. Down. Ready? Let's do it faster. Hop. 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 And hop. Good job, friends. Good job. All right. What we're going to do now is we are going to do 18 jumps. All right? And remember, you can jump out and in. And out and in. And moms and dads, for this kind of an activity, you can make a square on the carpet or a circle, and they could stand in it, or even like the tile. I'm stepping on tile right now. And you could just have them practice by looking down and saying, okay, now we're going to go out. And now their feet are in two different squares, okay? And then in, and then out, and then in. And then when they have that, then you can add on up and down, okay? One thing at a time. All right, so you could just jump. You could do out and in. You could do a star. You could do a jumping jack or a popcorn jump, okay? All right, you guys ready? Miss Christine is going to do 18 jumping jacks with you. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I want to hear you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good job, friends. Good job. All right. And you could always stretch after, okay? You could do big breaths up. And then you can let it out. You could do big breath up. And then you can let it out. You could do a warrior, okay? So what you could do, warrior one, I believe it's called, okay? You could take one foot and make it forward. You could take one foot and make it toward me. You can take your arms out. You can look out in front of you. Good job. And you can bend a little bit with this leg. Good. And stretch. Very good. All right, we're going to do the other side. So we're going to turn this foot toward the wall. We're going to turn this foot toward me. And your arms are going to be out. And we're going to stretch. Good. Make sure that knee doesn't go over those toes. And we're just going to slow down and stretch. Good job. You guys can do a couple more stretches if you want. You could do a downward dog. You could do a child's pose, okay? So you could do all of those. And we will start doing more yoga, especially when I get back to our house where you guys can see me a little bit better on the floor. So we'll do some more yoga next week, okay? And what we're going to do right now is we're going to sing our song, our DAD song, so we get ready for Dad. So, ready? It's to the tune of Jingle Bells, right? So we're going to sing our song here. Ready? Get it? Ready? Sing with me. Ready? D-A-D, D-A-D, Dad is my best friend. We play games, we go to the park, the fun just never ends. D-A-D, D-A-D, I love to hold your hands. It feels so good, it feels so safe, you're the best dad in this land. Yay! You can continue practicing that, and then we're going to practice it tomorrow. Tomorrow I get to see all of your beautiful faces on our Zoom call, and I couldn't be more excited. I love, love, love seeing you guys all on your Zoom call. So we are going to do that tomorrow morning at 10:30, and we are going to make another special craft for Dad, okay? So today, what I want you to do is I want you to gather all of the things that Dad, we just threw our paper, all of the special snacks that Dad may like. It could be popcorn, it could be pretzels, raisins, M&Ms, nuts, okay? And then you're also going to need bags and spoons. And you're also going to need, I'm going to make a sheet and share that with you. And what it's going to have is there's two different versions. 5 rows in each, and your child could practice placing raisins into each of those boxes, and then you can count by 5s, okay? I'm also going to add one that has counting by 10s, okay? And you could place 10 pretzels in a box, and then you can count by 10s. So you can make this a snack mix and a math lesson all in one, and you guys will see what we do whenever we create ours this afternoon in the kitchen, okay? So stay tuned for that. I'm excited to share with you how we cook in the kitchen today with the kiddos, okay? So those are the things that you're going to need today. You're just going to need a few, and it could be anything. It could be anything that Dad likes. Maybe it's Reese's Pieces. Maybe it's peanut butter cups. Maybe it's a special candy that he likes. Maybe it's cashews or pistachios or raisins or craisins or white chocolate chips or butterscotch chocolate chips or golden raisins. There's so many things that you could add into this. Pretzels or anything, right? Cheese balls. I mean, it could be anything that Dad likes. And you can add that into your trail mix today. And it could be a big bag. It could be a small bag. And if you want, you can make 2 or as many as you need to for you and your dad. And then that way you have a snack to share with Dad. So be sure to join us, or, you guys do yours and do a little video. I can't wait to see what you guys create. Or join us this afternoon. It'll probably be a little bit later. And I will share with you guys the exact time of when we're going to do it. And then that way we can make our snack with Dad. All right, guys. I hope you have a wonderful Thursday. I can't wait to see you whenever we cook in the kitchen. And I hope you guys have a great day. All right, guys. Remember, see each moment as a chance to learn, create, and have fun. Bye, guys.